Hello, teacher. Good morning. My word is personal description. My name is Ramiro. My last name is Esteban Francisco. My age is 30 years old. My nationality is Mexican. My language is Spanish. My phone number is 22911313607. My mail is ramiro24 esteban outlook.com. My occupation is quality technician. My physical description is health tall and 1.72 meters. My eyes is black, almond shaped. My compression body is slim. My hair is black, medium length, straight. My personality description is optimist, responsible, and generous. I want girls who like challenge, enjoy learning, and always try to give me best. The next is my favorite person. His name is Samuel. His last name is Rojas Martinez. His age is 32 years old. His nationality is Mexican. His language Spanish. His phone number is 65654571000. His mail is Samuel 2025 rojas or rock gmail.com. His occupation is quality supervision. His physical description is he is short, 1.65 meters. The complexion body is slim. His hair is brown, short, wavy. His eyes is brown. His personality description is freelance, perfectionist, and responsibility. What is Samuel? He is my best friend. Is a person with a good heart. He is very sociable. His love is job and he'll always take take care of my heart. Thank you so much.